Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Shopify merchant ID. While there's no direct way to find your merchant ID on Shopify admin page, I will still teach you on how you can find your merchant ID depending on the bank that is connected on your Shopify account. So let's start with admin.shopify.com. Just head on this page and log into your Shopify account. Next is head over to settings, then click on payments. So make sure that you already added and connected your bank or payment method on your Shopify store. So say for example, we have this PayPal account, and to get your merchant ID on PayPal, all you have to do is head over to a new tab, then head to paypal.com and log into your PayPal account. So as you can see, I have a PayPal account logged in here, and all you have to do from the PayPal page is head over to settings. And as you can see here under the account options section, you can view or see here your merchant ID. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!